Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow avatar and nickname changes in Game Center on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. And from the Settings page, we scroll down. And then in here, tap on Screen Time. Now scroll down to the Restrictions section. Then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on Content Restrictions. From here, we scroll down to the Game Center section and we go down to the last option and tap on Avatar and Nickname Changes. From here, you can choose between Allow or Don't Allow. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.